I'm not going to apologise for that, but I'm making fun. So, today, your spawns are a little bit different. One spawn's going to be in a corner tower there, one spawn's going to be at the corner there. You are to collect, one team will be attacking, of course, one team will be defending. The attackers are to collect the... Once you get the bomb there, this is the great bit, you are blowing up Epstein Island.
Hello.
Where are you headed, fella?
Epstein Island.
Right, let's go.
Once you blow it up, the attackers will blow it up and they will receive a small person to extract. I will nominate someone that you have to extract. Ideally, there'll be a small child there, but obviously with parental consent, that we will get them to extraction. So, defenders, you are unfortunately disciples of the island. Your objective is to stop them from getting that bomb. If they do get the bomb, you are to achieve the capture of the small person. If you capture the small person, you may take them back to the island.
Team nods! We got lucky.
Yeah.
We got lucky.
How do you see?
I mainly just do it for the content.
Oh, okay.
I don't really see much. Law ready for this?
Damn, did you get 100 headshots for that?
Oh, you know it. What's one more? He's not paying attention. Now he is. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, it stays on that. I'm sorry. I would like to apologise. Oh, it started.
Oh, we're going!
Jesus Christ, Nathan. Holy shit. Nathan, you're a fucking terrorist. Jesus Christ.
You know that Michael Jackson gif? Just...
Ready? Gladiator, ready! Ready?
Yeah!
In 3, 2, 1, run!
Oh, Bella. Oh, just one.
He's not coming back.
Come back! Come on, guys, listen. Right, we can run the last game in reverse. Yeah. Yeah. Or we can do the single point domination. Or we can do Bambi Hunter. Let's all fuck Rudolph. So can I get my hands up for single point?
You sound way too excited for that.
Look at that. Sick. Minware already. Minware already.
The end of this one's still bright.
How's it going?
I saw a kid get shot in the back of the head.
That's
hilarious.
That's hilarious. You got line of sight on him?
I did. I don't think they've moved. Shit! Shit! Oh, that's through there. Blue container.
Blue container. Blue container. See it. Blue container. Ready? Watch this.
Yeah.
He's out. Oh my god, no way. Yeah? Oh, fuck.
So good. Yeah.
That scared the shit out of me. I thought it was dead.
So, this morning, as you can see, the whole site is open. That is including the new Icarus field.
Moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies, cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby, cause once you know my love is so mystical, magical, oh baby, cause once you know.
I'm kind of thinking we just push Icarus.
Yeah.
So bust left at Void Oxford Street. Bust it straight down that alleyway, I think. Do you know the one I said about?
Yeah.
And just post up on there and see what happens. Get fucking rambling. And if not, fuck knows. And if we get split up, I'll just see you back in the lobby.
Yeah. Try not to get dark though.
That'd be nice. Yeah, I think we try that. And then if we die, we'll just do objective down that way.
Yeah.
Fuck it. Ooh. What's up? Fuck's sake, man.
Did you see that?
I hear a laugh. I turn around to see you on the fucking floor.
Oh, fucking sun popped.
Ramirez, last mag, make it count.
Do you not see us skinning on my head?
No, turn around and you're backwards, upside down, I'm pretty sure. Fucking hell. Right. What's up? I'm thinking I'm just going to burst for that wooden cover there
Before you jump the gun on anything,
and hope.
This is supposed to be like a
But
house
there,
party
it seems
type
like there's a
song,
bit of a jump. Fuck it,
2004,
go,
so
go, go,
sing
go.
along when you can. That clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me just let me That clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home. My balls keep telling me to let me just let me
What, like the one that's just in front? Oh, yeah, I see him. Window to the left if you haven't seen him. Jesus Christ. No. They are skimming over my head. Oh, fuck me. This is not a fun angle. I mean, it's sick, but like, oh my god, being here is awful. Just need a tactical insertion, bro. Got him. Well, different guy. I don't think he was looking. I'm thinking.
I think now it's on now.
Yeah, fuck it.
Go.
Oh, you got me.
Hit.
Fucking hell. Or
I'm always dead fun. You see what else?
oh, I don't know if that's what someone in red container diagonal. Yours sounds scarier than mine.
Tourist AK-12. Then 11.1 in.
Oh, my penis! Ow! Right, ready? Don't. Fucking hell. Oh. Give it a bit of a dotty wine, Nathan. Alright.
Mid, move, mid, move.
Oh,
There's shots coming from over that way.
Yeah.
Oh.
We just have to stop them getting.
Oh, we're cooked. That better not have been ours.
I think it was.
Yeah. How's it going?
Well, it was well until someone threw a fucking smoke grenade.
Smoke grenade? Yeah, that got us as well.
Everyone.
I'm hoping it was them that did it, not ours. Yes. However, mentally, it makes you feel better if it was them. Alright, fuck it. I'm gonna go for it, Nathan. What, are you gonna go for the helicopter? It looks fucking sick from here, I tell you.
It does. Do we go for the helicopter?
Go for the first Would it like stay on that side, yeah?
Ready?
Go further so I can catch up. So I got space, yeah? I'm coming. Yeah, go, I'm gonna come. I can't see shit. I can't all go in.
Go up the heli.
We can go through from in here. It's so fucking dull.
I do like these like here, it's quite nice.
It's very dark.
Yeah, it is very dark, but
Fucking hell. Feels like Resident Evil.
it's
Jesus
1,000
Christ.
This is fucking awesome, man. Mate, this is cool, isn't it? Mate, this is cool, isn't it? This is fucking awesome.
Go down.
Fine, go down. One behind that putting barrel. Spicy. Hey!
Is that a ghillie minigun? Jeezy peeps.
We go behind there.
I don't know if that's really got cover. I think
Well, they're not getting shot at.
I want to just see what happens if I just run in a straight line for that hut. Do you see that hut straight ahead? That's kind of far.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of.
Just see what happens.
Yeah, you can move it. Should we do it?
I might fucking send it.
Should we run first?
No. Let's just fucking go here.
Yeah.
Fuck it. It's close. Oh.